How much is he throwing? Yo.
Is that alloy worship unit the one that gives the red items, right?
How did you push him so far and so quickly?
He's a monster.
You like that though, Sid? You knew exactly what
Yeah, that shit was coming so.
What do you suppose he's planning, Jacob?
I'm just gonna head right through the obelisk. Hope you boys came prepared. Three, two, one.
It's kind of sad watching all of our drones get deleted. They didn't do anything wrong.
Well, I'll be going.
Oh my god.
What is it?
The scavenger. It's got a lot of health.
I feel so threatened.
Whoa! My health!
The secret is to not touch the ground. Why is the ground still exploding?
They used the meteor on us.
Oh. That's it? That's cool. This is a neat place.
You guys believe in the final boss?
It's true. I did not.
I mean, you gotta understand why we wouldn't believe you.
I see, I see.
Alright, how much damage did everyone deal? Sitting at 169